Hello and welcome to Latinx.montessori. My name is Orlando, and in this video, I'll compare the pros and cons of disposable and cloth diapers to help you make a decision on the type of diaper that is best for your family. I was a stay-at-home dad and changed a lot of diapers. Now, we did use a combination of both cloth and disposable, so I'll share my thoughts on each one. I'll begin by examining the pros and cons of each type of diaper, beginning with cloth and then moving on to disposable. Then I'll share a few things to consider before you make your final decision. But before we proceed, please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can become an important part of this parenting community. And with that said, let's get started. Let's begin by talking about the benefits of cloth diapers. Number one, they are more cost effective in the long run. Now, I know what you might be thinking, they're just so expensive. True, there is a huge upfront investment, but let me break it down for you. When you invest in cloth diapers, you're making a one-time purchase that will last you for a year. Not just think about it, no more weekly runs to the store. Those costs can add up super fast when you're changing diapers for several years. Cloth diapers, on the other hand, can be used for multiple children, and you can even resell them once your child is potty trained. So while it may seem pricier at first, you are going to save money in the long run. Now, I did create a video on how to calculate and compare the prices of cloth and disposable diapers. And there's also a spreadsheet that you can download for free so you can follow along as you watch this video. Just click on the link that will appear up here, and I will also, or up here I should say, and I will also leave the link to that video in the description below. Number two, they can help your child with potty training. This is one of the reasons our daughter was potty trained at 23 months. And that's because cloth diapers allowed her to feel the wetness of the diaper. When the cloth diaper gets wet, it doesn't have that super absorbent core that locks away moisture. And so that means that your child will become more aware of when they've peed, which is a crucial element in potty training. Your child will feel uncomfortable when they are wet, and this is going to help them communicate with you when they have to go. Number three, cloth diapers are environmentally friendly. Every baby goes through a lot of diapers, and those disposable ones can add up super fast and take hundreds of years to decompose in landfills. Now, just imagine the mountains of waste that we create every year. Cloth diapers are reusable. You're not adding to those big piles of waste, and that's a big win for the environment. You can wash them and use them again and again, and that's kind of like having a mini recycling plant in your own home. Number four, you can customize the absorbency of cloth diapers. You can adjust the level of absorbency to suit your baby's needs by adding extra inserts for overnight use or reducing them during the day to keep your baby comfortable and dry. And this customization can be a game changer, especially if you have a heavy weather or babies of different ages. And number five, you can resell them. Cloth diapers can be an investment that pays off even more. Well-maintained cloth diapers can hold their value surprisingly well, and you can resell those diapers after your child is potty trained, and this is going to help you recover some of your initial investment. Now let's talk about some of the drawbacks of cloth diapers. Number one, that upfront expense can be a bit of a shock. Cloth diapers can seem expensive when you buy them all at once, and you'll need a stash of diapers, covers, inserts, and accessories, and the costs can add up pretty fast. Just remember that it is a one-time investment that will pay off in the long run. So if money is tight, you might have to re-strategize your budget. Number two, laundry and maintenance. You'll need to wash them regularly, and that can be time-consuming and overwhelming, and can also lead to higher water and energy bills. Plus, there's that occasional diaper dunk, dumping the poop in the toilet and rinsing the diaper before you wash it. And to be honest, that is not the most glamorous part of parenting. Number three, cloth diapers tend to be bulkier compared to disposables, and that can be a little tricky to find clothes that fit properly. So you might have to adjust your baby's clothes just to accommodate that extra fluff. Number four, and this is a big one, cloth diapers tend to be inconvenient when you are on the go or traveling. Managing diapers outside of your home can be a little bit trickier because you have to carry them with you until you get back, and rinsing them and washing them while you are away from home can be a little bit frustrating. Number five, there's a learning curve. Cloth diapers come in various types, and choosing the right type can be a little bit overwhelming. So if you are new to cloth diapers, there's a bit of a learning curve involved. You'll need to understand the types of cloth diapers, how to fit them on your baby, and deal with the whole washing routine. I actually made a video on the types of cloth diapers, so make sure you check it out. It is going to make your life a lot easier. Now let's talk about the benefits and drawbacks of disposable diapers, beginning with the benefits. Number one, disposable diapers are incredibly convenient. You use them, wrap them up, and toss them away. That's it. No washing, no folding. They are a lifesaver if you are a busy parent or when you are on the go. And you can find disposable diapers pretty much in every store, so you don't have to worry about running out of diapers. Number two, disposable diapers have a slimmer profile. And this can be a game changer for your child's mobility, especially if you have an active baby. They are designed to be sleek and snug, and that allows your baby to move with ease. And that's perfect if your little one is crawling or learning to walk, because there's no extra bulk to slow them down. Number three, disposable diapers will keep your baby dry. They are designed to absorb a lot of liquid, and that means your baby will stay dry longer. And that's super important because a dry baby is a happy baby, and a happy baby means a happier you. Number four, disposable diapers are always available. You won't have to go on a scavenger hunt to find them. You can find disposable diapers at grocery stores, pharmacies, and just about everywhere. That means that you are never too far from a fresh pack of diapers, and that's a big plus if you are always traveling or if you suddenly run out. Number five, disposable diapers are time saving. They give you more time for the things that really matter. And let's face it, parenting is a hard full-time job. From feeding, cuddling, and playtime, there's really not enough time left for diaper maintenance. Disposable diapers cut down on those diaper-related chores, so no more washing and folding, which leaves you with more time to spend with your little one. Now let's talk about the drawbacks of disposable diapers. The first one is the environmental impact. Disposable diapers take a very long time to decompose in landfills, and we're talking about hundreds of years. Plus, they are made from plastic and use a lot of resources. So if you are an eco-conscious parent and are concerned about the environmental footprint, this is something you have to consider. Number two is the long-term cost of disposable diapers. Convenience comes at a cost, and while buying disposable diapers may not break the bank initially, the cost can add up super fast. Just think about how many diapers your baby goes through. It's a lot. All those trips to the store can take a toll on your wallet, and what may seem like a budget-friendly choice at first can turn into a significant expense. And number three, chemicals and allergies. It's important to consider your baby's delicate skin. Some disposable diapers contain chemicals, fragrances, and dyes that can lead to skin irritations and allergies in some babies. It's not the case for every diaper, but it's definitely something to consider if your baby has sensitive skin. Now, here are a few things to consider before you decide on the type of diaper. Number one, your lifestyle. What's your daily routine like, and how does that influence your choice of diapers? Are you a working parent? Do you travel often? If you have a hectic schedule, the convenience of cloth diapers is the way to go. They're easy to use. You simply change your baby and toss the diaper in the trash. On the other hand, if you have time and energy and don't mind doing a lot of laundry, then cloth diaper is a good eco-friendly option. Number two, environmental concerns. How important is it for you to reduce your environmental footprint? If you're passionate about the environment and want to minimize waste, then cloth diapers is the way to go. They are easy to use, reusable, and that means you'll minimize the amount of trash that goes in landfills. Number three, budget and cost. Consider your budget, both short-term and long-term, and decide what makes the most sense for your family's financial health. Cloth diapers are more expensive at first, but can save you a lot of money in the long run, especially if you have more than one children. But on the other hand, disposable diapers offer the convenience and little upfront investment, but you will see the expenses accumulate in the long term. And number four, do not forget about your baby's health and comfort. Cloth diapers can be a little more gentle on a baby's sensitive skin, and this can help reduce the risk of diaper rash and skin irritation. Some disposable diaper brands like Diaper, Hello Bello, Coterie do make their diapers using some eco-friendly and natural materials, but they are more expensive. Now that you know the pros and cons of both types of diapers, which one should you choose? Well, the good thing is that you can actually use both, because that is exactly what we did. When we were at home, we strictly used cloth diapers, and like I said before, I was a stay-at-home dad, so I had the time to clean and wash cloth diapers. We tried using them every time we went to the park or to eat, but it got complicated pretty fast, especially when our daughter started eating solids. A poop diaper takes a lot of space in the diaper bag and can smell pretty bad, so we ended up using disposable diapers every time we were on the go. And with that said, you don't have to use one or the other. You can use cloth at home or disposables on outings. Honestly, do whatever works best for you. If you want to share your experience or have any other tips that can help other parents, please leave them in the comment section below. Remember that you can watch the videos that will appear here shortly about the cost of disposable versus cloth diapers and the types of cloth diapers if you are new to cloth diapering. So make sure you watch those. But before you do, please make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Thanks for watching. I will see you soon.